Today, you and I will build a friendly tip calculator in the terminal. We will accept a bill amount, a tax rate in percent, a tip in percent, and how many people are paying. We will use the decimal module so money is exact to the cent. We will add a clear receipt that looks professional and is easy to read. By the end, you will have a real tool you can run after any meal. Let's start with safe inputs and tiny helpers. A smooth program never crashes on bad input. Our ask function accepts a percent sign, trims spaces, blocks negatives, and loops until it receives a valid number. Our askInt function guarantees at least one person. These friendly prompts are the foundation of a great user experience. You will see the same pattern in many of your future tools. Let's wire the prompts together and verify the values before we do any math. Money deserves exact math. Floating point numbers can introduce tiny errors that show up as strange cents. The decimal module stores base 10 values precisely and lets us round half up to exactly 2 decimals. We convert tax and tip from percent to proportions by dividing by 100. Then we calculate tax, subtotal, tip, and grand total. Finally, we compute the per person share and round to cents so everyone pays fairly. Numbers are only useful when they are easy to read. We will format currency with a $sign, 2 decimals, and thousands separators. We align labels to the left and amounts to the right so the columns line up. We show the rates as percents in the labels so users can confirm the settings. A clean receipt builds trust and makes your tool feel real and polished. Let's print the full receipt now. To make your file reusable, wrap the program in a run function and call it from the main entry point. This lets you import the helpers in later projects without triggering prompts. It also keeps your file tidy and easier to test. We will reuse the same helpers and print the same clean receipt. Try a few different inputs and watch the math adapt instantly. Now your calculator is ready for future features. This challenge is your chance to turn the tip calculator into your own. You will add 2 features and wire them end to end. First, add an optional service charge in percent that is applied after tax and before the split. Second, add a rounding mode that chooses either normal cents or round each person up to the nearest 5 cents. The file includes clear to-do markers so you can fill the gaps. Begin with the money helper that rounds half up to 2 decimals. Write the currency formatter so every amount looks like real money. Create the helper that rounds a value up to the next step of 5 cents. Build input helpers that accept clean numbers and kind error messages. Add a small chooser that forces a valid option like cents or 5. Collect the bill, the tax rate, the tip percent, the people, and the service charge. Convert every percent into a proportion by dividing by 100 in code. Compute tax, then subtotal, then tip, then service, and finally the grand total. Split the total by the number of people to get each share. If the user picked 5, then round each share up to 5 cents. Print a tidy receipt with aligned labels and write aligned amounts. Test with small and large bills to confirm that the math is steady. If numbers drift by a cent, then check your rounding points. When you are happy, compare your work with the full solution in the next scene. Here is a clean solution. We compute tax and subtotal. We apply tip to the subtotal. We compute service charge on the same subtotal so that both tip and service are based on the amount after tax. We add everything for the grand total. If the user chose 5-cent rounding, we round each share up to the next step of 5 cents so no one underpays. Watch how the receipt changes between modes. Let's harden the program with a few quick checks. Warn if tax or tip is unusually high. Force at least one person. Treat blank service charge as 0. Keep all math in decimals and only format as strings when printing. Then run a pair of automated test cases to verify your logic. This makes your calculator reliable in the real world. Change or add more receipts to check the code. Today we built a practical tip calculator. We gathered clean inputs with friendly loops. We used the decimal module for exact cents. We turned tax and tip from percent into proportions. We computed tax, then subtotal, then tip, then the grand total. We formatted a clear receipt and aligned amounts. We split the bill fairly and tried 5-cent rounding. Up next, guess the number, loops, random, difficulty levels.